What's up, guys? This is Nate. I'm here at a conference in Fort Worth, and I was talking to a lot of colleagues about products and product development, and one thing that kept coming up that I wanted to share was this idea of the MVP, right, which has been so hot for 5-10 years now, and what the MVP really stands for is a minimum viable product. And a lot of times when you're trying to introduce a new product, new application, you're looking at, what's the minimum that you can get out there to clients to start getting feedback. And it's incredibly important, right? That's the best way to vet your features, etc. But what's equally as important, if not more important, is what I like to think about as the MBP. And what the MBP is minimum viable product. So, for example, one thing that we did was we built a product specifically for our installed base, right? Knowing that longer term we wanted to pivot outside of it, but we wanted to start generating revenue and get real feedback from real users and kind of test the market fit. So we built a product specifically for our installed base of clients, started selling that product, and it wasn't until 6 to 9 months after we had been live, so to speak, before we started to think about how we might generalize the product, how we might transition out of that one space into other industries. So just something to think about as you look at rolling out new products, new features, new applications to clients is, sure, it's great to get to the MVP, but what you need to be thinking about directly after that is how quickly can you start generating revenue to offset some of those development costs and to get real feedback from paying clients, right? So just something to think about. What does it look like? What's that product look like? Even if it's not the end all be all, it will help you get there. And you'll be so much smarter when you get to the point where you want to, let's say, generalize the application, because you'll have 6 to 9 months, maybe a year of actual production feedback from clients, and it's only going to help you make better decisions as you try to pivot or add new features or plugins to your existing product suite. So think about that and work on getting from the MVP to the MBP as quickly as possible, and I think it'll pay off great for you.